on the edge. Oh shit. Today we leave Tibet, leaving from Phuntsok Rabsal Hotel, which is where we stayed in Kirong. 25 kilometers to the border, and then we've got to do that same crossing again. Chinese immigration. Let's see how long it takes this time. But before we get there, we have our last 25 kilometers of road, because once we cross onto the Nepal side, there's going to be no road whatsoever. Met some really nice people while I was here in Kirong. Yesterday I'd gone to this coffee shop again to have a nice warm cup of coffee before I went to sleep. And the chap who runs it, Hoyu, I think that's his name, Hoyu, really nice guy. He was talking to me and he speaks some English, so he was explaining some stuff to me, and I'd picked up a few things from the supermarket and he was telling me what I'd bought. I just bought it without even knowing what it was. But it's really sweet. Every time I go to his shop, I went when we came to Kirong, and now while leaving, he gave me one apple as well. So in addition to coffee, I get an apple. When we cross the border into Nepal, we will gain 2 hours and 15 minutes, which is kind of hilarious actually, because I mean the whole time thing over here doesn't entirely makes sense, because sunrise happens at like 9 in the morning. You can see the sun is just about coming up over the mountains. Almost 10 in the morning now, so, and sunset happens at 8 p.m, 9 p.m. Police checkpost done, one army checkpost done. Next up is border control. Oh, the sunlight, every time the sun hits, there's like this burst of warmth, and then back to the cold. Look at those waterfalls up ahead. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off now just to be on the safer side, but the border gate is just up ahead, about a kilometer or so. Hopefully we get through without any issues. Fingers crossed. Let's see how this goes. So we just crossed the border. Back in Nepal. The border crossing was quite quick, but that's primarily because of the guides on both sides, Nepal and Tibet, who sort things out. Otherwise it can be quite a cumbersome process. But they check all your bags, every single thing. Hello Nepal roads, or lack thereof. We are back. These roads are fun. After all the tarmac in Tibet, Nepal is making life exciting. Oh yeah. Whoa, we're in the clouds. Oof. I think we can go.
Yeah, we can go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
The landslide happened here. No, I don't think it's worth it. No, you'll skid a lot. Trying to get out of this rut, no? Your back tire will just slide. Siddharth, yeah, you just said we're standing on the wrong place and then you went to the worst place possible.
You'll capture in GoPro like going down.
Slow-mo.
Who is going to upload that video anyway?
Yeah. In case you were wondering where Siddharth is. Alright, truckman ready to roll. We're sliding. What's up? Woo! This bike just loves terrain like this. Man, it's a treat. On my Thunderbird, whenever I see bumps, I'm constantly trying to look for the smoothest route through. On this, I'm probably doing the opposite. Full cardio workout today. Wait, bike. Oh yeah, this looks fun. Complete with the bus coming at us as we enter a water crossing. Man, oh man, how do they drive buses in places like this? And trucks. On the edge. Oh shit. You okay?
Yeah. That goes inside here. And it starts touching silencer. Yeah. That's what it is doing right now.
Just need to yank it out.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's good. It's cool, man.
Better than earlier, huh? So the sun is setting now, and we're about 5 kilometers, I would say, away from Trishuli. To be honest, I was not looking forward to today's ride. After all of the lovely tarmac in Tibet, I was expecting that today's ride would be cumbersome, especially because we're all quite tired with all of the altitude changes and the drastic changes in weather. But being on the Himalayan has made this day awesome. This bike has been the hero, and it's made what could have been a bad day into a very, very fun and enjoyable one. We're just gonna gun it for the remaining distance and get to our hotel here at Trishuli tonight, and continue the ride to Kathmandu tomorrow, the last day of the Himalayan adventure.